TuxPaint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Let us look at its unique features. TuxPaint is a free software. It is easy to use as it requires only basic knowledge of mouse skills. TuxPaint has a drawing mascot penguin which tells more about tools and subtools available in TuxPaint program. It increases the creativity of children. It provides a large variety of tools that help in creating beautiful designs. It provides the facility to add personalized stamps to the drawing. It plays funny sound effects when you select any tool. In the previous class, you have learned how to use the paint along with various brush shapes, lines tool to draw beautiful patterns and magic tool to add some magic effects. You have also learned how to save your work as well as open an already saved file. In this chapter you will learn more about the magic tools. More magic tools. In TuxPaint there are various magic effects which allow you to draw wonderful patterns. Let us learn some of the pattern effects in magic tool. Mosaic effect. See. Used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stones on the canvas. Mosaic effect. The mosaic effect tool is used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stones on the canvas. Open a new canvas and draw the sunset scene, or you can select any colored background. Click the magic tool and select a mosaic effect. मैं आपको बताती हूँ mosaic effect कहाँ से आता है. ये दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ से पिक करना है mosaic effect on your selector. Bring the magic wand to the canvas and click on it. The canvas will be filled with mosaic effect. Click it further to change its color. Kaleidoscope effect. This tool is used to create freehand patterns. The most amazing feature of this tool is that even if we move the magic wand from a single point, it draws from all the 4 directions. अगर हम सिंगल पॉइंट से भी मैजिक वैंड को चलाते हैं, लेकिन ये ड्रॉ कैसे होती है, 4 डायरेक्शन से होती है. लेट अस लर्न हाउ टू यूज़ इट बाय ड्रॉइंग द फॉलोइंग फिगर. आपको कैलेडोस्कोप सिलेक्टर में से कहाँ से मिलेगा, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. सी, ये है आपका कैलेडोस्कोप इफेक्ट. आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, फिर आपको ड्रॉ करना है. आप जो भी ड्रॉ करोगे वो आप भले ही उसको सिंगल पॉइंट से करते हो, लेकिन वो आपको 4 डायरेक्शन से ड्रॉ होगा, एक ही डायरेक्शन से ड्रॉ नहीं होगा. अ पैटर्न विल स्टार्ट अपीयरिंग ऑन द कैनवास. जो पैटर्न आप ड्रॉ करते हो वो. आफ्टर डिजाइनिंग द पैटर्न फिल कलर इन इट. सी, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कैलेडोस्कोप इफेक्ट. आप देख सकते हो एक ही साइड से किया है, लेकिन वो चारों साइड से ड्रॉ हो रहा है. This one is kaleidoscope effect. From here we can choose this button. Emboss effect. This magic tool gives a raised effect to an object from the surface that you have drawn. Select the emboss effect from the selector. Bring the magic wand over the image on the canvas and drag the mouse to emboss the image. Observe the change in the image. Lighten effect. As the name suggests, this tool is used to lighten the color of any object. ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर कलर को लाइट करने के लिए ये यूज़ होता है. Select the lighten effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on half the area of an object. Observe that the area where you apply the tool becomes lighter than the other half. आपको इस इमेज में मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि जहाँ पे हमने लाइटन का यूज़ किया है, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यहाँ से, तो वो आपको बाकी कलर से ज़्यादा लाइट नज़र आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ से लाइटन यूज़ किया हुआ है. यहाँ से यू कैन चूज़ फ्रॉम हियर इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट लाइटन इफेक्ट. Storyboard. Storyboard is a series of pictures that provide a visual layout of events in a story. It is like a comic book which displays the characters with some actions and dialogues. It brings life to the script by showing the key scenes as to how the objects will look, who will be present in the story, and what actions will take place. Let us learn how to create the storyboard in TuxPaint for the story The Lion and the Mouse. अब हम लेते हैं scene 1. Click on New tool. Select the dark green background and click on the open button. Apply the glass tile effect on the background with the help of magic tools. Click on the text tool and select the white color from the colors palette. Bring the point to the drawing area and type the lion and the mouse. You can increase or decrease the text size using the up or down arrows from the letters subtool box. Click on the paint tool and draw the free-form lions using yellow color. Now with the help of stamp tool, place the image of lion on it as shown in figure. Similarly, draw on the white free-form lions and place the image of the mouse on it. Click on the save tool. Scene 2. पहले सीन में द लायन एंड द माउस है, तो दूसरे सीन में क्या है? क्लिक ऑन द न्यू टूल, select open, click on the magic tool and with the help of fill effect draw the background as shown in figure 3.6. ऐसा बैकग्राउंड आपको ड्रॉ करना है. Click on the paint tool and select the brush and color to draw stream and select its subtool vine to draw tree leaves. Now select the magic tool and its subtool grass to draw grass. Select the stamp tool and choose the stamps sun, lion and mouse as shown in figure 3.6. Click on the text tool, select the letter size and type the text as given in the figure. Click on the save tool to save the drawing. Scene 3. पहले सीन में क्या था? द लायन एंड माउस. दूसरे सीन में लायन है, उसके पास में माउस है और एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स भी है जिसमें लिखा हुआ है वंस अ लायन वॉज स्लीपिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट अ माउस स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग ऑन हिम. और तीसरे सीन में सीन 3 हमको क्रिएट करना है. उसके लिए क्लिक ऑन द न्यू टूल, select the white background, create the same background as you have created in scene 2. Place the stamps of mouse and lion. This time the location of the mouse will be changed. Select the text tool and type the text for the third screen as shown in figure 3.7. Click on the save tool and save the drawing. Figure 3.7 में आप देख सकते हो टेक्स्ट है, इसमें लिखा हुआ है द लायन गॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड एंड अरोज फ्रॉम हिज स्लीप. ही कॉट द माउस एंग्रीली एंड ओपन हिज जॉज टू क्रश द माउस टू डेथ. द माउस प्रेड to the lion to leave him and assured he would help the lion whenever need be. The lion laughed at the mouse and let him go. ये 3 हम लोगों ने टेक्स्ट टूल से टेक्स्ट डाले हुए हैं. Scene 4. Draw the background and place the objects as shown in figure 3.8. Draw a net on top of the lion by using the paint tool. Using the text tool, type the text and save the drawing. क्या टेक्स्ट करते हैं? वन डे वाइल लुकिंग फॉर प्रे द लायन गॉट कॉट इन द नेट स्प्रेड बाय अ हंटर. नाउ सीन 5. Similarly, make changes in the position of the objects for scene 5. Type the text using the text tool. Save the drawing using the save tool. The mouse heard the lions roaring and went there. On seeing the lion's plight, the mouse cut the links of the net with his sharp teeth and made the lion free. The mouse was very happy to help the lion. Thereafter, the lion and the mouse became good friends. ए उसका है सीन नंबर 5, जहाँ पे स्टोरी का एंड हो जाता है. तो हमने टोटल कितने सीन क्रिएट किए? 5. स्लाइड शो. Slide show is a series of selected pictures often displayed on the screen one by one. To view the slide show in TuxPaint, follow the given steps. Click on the open tool. It will display the thumbnails of saved pictures. Click on the slides option. Select the pictures you wish to display in a slide show one by one. यहाँ से आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, जैसे कि मैंने ये सिलेक्ट किया कि आपको कौन से पिक्चर्स स्लाइड शो में चाहिए. You can also deselect the selected image by simply clicking on it. The image will be removed from the slide show and the rest of the pictures will be renumbered. Adjust the speed of the slideshow from show to fast by clicking on the slide scale present at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button. ये है play button. Disable the automatic advancing of slides by clicking on the leftmost bar of the sliding scale. Click on the play button. Sorry, this is a sliding scale and this one is a play button. Click on the play button to begin the slide show. Slide show को begin करने के लिए कहाँ क्लिक करेंगे? Play button पे. Press the space bar, enter right arrow key or next button to manually advance to the next slide. To go back to the picture selection screen, press the back button. Click the escape key to exit the slide show. See, ये है स्लाइड शो में हमें पिक्चर सिलेक्ट करना है, उसके लिए मैंने एक इमेज इंसर्ट करी है. अगर आपको डिलीट करना है तो यहाँ से भी डिलीट कर सकते हो. उसको कैसे करते हैं आगे मैं स्टेप वाइज बताती हूँ. Deleting a drawing. You can delete a saved file in TuxPaint. Select the open tool. All the saved files will appear on the screen. Choose the drawing you want to delete from TuxPaint. Click on the erase button present at the bottom right of the screen. जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, यहाँ पे भी है ये वाला डिलीट बटन. TuxPaint will prompt the message, erase this picture as shown in figure 3.12. Select yes to delete the drawing. The selected drawing will be erased from TuxPaint. If you select no button, the selected drawing will not be deleted. Quit tool. Quit tool helps you to exit the TuxPaint program. Click on the quit tool. TuxPaint will prompt the message, do you really want to quit? Then see here, this one is a quit tool. Quit tool helps you to exit the TuxPaint program. Click on the quit tool. TuxPaint will prompt the message, this one, do you really want to quit? If you select yes, I am done, and you have not saved the drawing, TuxPaint will ask you whether you wish to save it. If it is not a new image, you will then be asked whether you want to replace the older one or create a new file. Thank you, children.